Hey guys, I'm JD from Guaranty RV. Today we are looking at a 2015 used model Jayco 27 RLS. So we are going to start in the front. We are going to have a power front jack, so you don't have to crank it all up and down. You're going to get the 7-gallon propane tanks and the 2 batteries right behind that. And then coming on to this side, we're going to have a nice little storage unit right in the front. And then above that, we are going to get the power awning, the 2 speakers up top, and then we are going to have our little plug-ins for our barbecues or TVs or whatever you got to go outside. Coming around the back, we are going to have the main power supply right in the back. We are going to get a step ladder to the roof, and then the cable and satellite hookups on the side. Now with this one, your drains are gonna be right underneath your little storage, and then you're gonna get a little tiny shower, and then the other side to the storage up front. Now onto the inside. Boom, 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 boom. So this one is going to have the thermal package, so it does mean the bottom is going to be covered and heated. But as soon as we walk in, we're going to have a huge back window, 2 rocking recliners, and then a pull-out couch. Your dinette is going to be a drop-down bed as well. We're going to get the TVs, the LED lights, the heating system, the AC. You are going to get a big sink, 3 stove burner, an oven and a microwave in this one, a decent sized fridge and freezer, and then on top of it you get a ton of storage all over the place. In the bathroom, you're gonna have plenty of room to move around, a lot of storage and cabinets, and then to the bedroom, gosh, more storage, plug-ins off to the right for your TVs, basically a pull-up storage underneath that you can get to from the outside. But yeah, this is a used Jayco 2015. If we do have any questions, call me at 541-954-4683. Thanks guys.